Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul and this is Tech and Travel, where today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung standing protective cover for the Note 10 Plus. So I've got it here, comes in a bit of a large box, looks like more like a box for a tablet case or so, but apparently it's in here, so let's get it unboxed. Right, so we've got the box, like I said, a bit large for what it is, bit of a waste, but there you go. So let's peel this tab back, and hopefully we should have the case that I ordered. Right, so a bit of Samsung branding on that there. Put that one side, and yeah, there we go. The protective standing cover, and I've gone for the silver, also available in black, and probably stating the obvious here, but it fits the Note 10 Plus and Note 10 Plus 5G. Not much on the back really there. So what we do is just pull the tab and pull it, break it out. There we go. So bit of foam padding, some instructions of how to put it in, and it's saying to put the top end of the phone in first and then push the bottom in. So we'll just file that to the side. And get it out the packet. Right, there we go. So, first impressions. Side is rubberized but nice and soft. In fairness, that's yeah, nice soft feeling rubber. You've got these indents on it here. Should be good for your fingers, so you get a nice sort of grip on it. Silver's quite a dark silver, not the brightest sort of going, but still silver nonetheless. So the rubber is black on this, so you've got the black rubber at the top, both sides and the bottom, and then we've got the kickstands there as well. Inside is, I don't know if you can see that, it's like a textured sort of finish to it. So I'm guessing that's going to help with absorbency if you drop it. Yeah, it feels well constructed. Buttons on the left-hand side as you look at it. So if I get that there, as you can see. So not sort of, there's not much to that there. Quite soft on the side. Yeah, feels okay. I mean, it's a case, there's not a lot to say about it. So looking at the kickstands, you've got one large one there, and I'm guessing that you can put your phone that way and that way. I will try my phone in it in a minute. And then you've got a second little kickstand, which gives you a different angle there to have it on. If you can put it on, oh yeah, you can put it on that one as well. So yeah, a couple of different angles there to have it at. Yeah, that's a nice little idea. I think my previous Note 9 just had the one, but you know, other than that, I don't think it makes it look any worse sort of thing, is in sort of appearance. Yeah, I think that's a good idea having the two, because you know, you generally, if you're going to buy this case, you're buying it really because of the kickstand. So having the option of two, I think it's a great idea. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly show you my other case that I've got. Now this is one from Spigen, and as you can see, you've got a kickstand there. Now the problem with this is you've got the buttons on this side, so when you put the case down, obviously there's no buttons on this side, so if you want to turn the volume up or anything like that, the buttons are on the bottom, so you've got to lift the case up to actually adjust it. Where with this one, right, you can have it that way round, but also you can have it that way around. Sorry, I don't know what's going on today. It's like I've had a stroke or something. So yeah, that's one advantage over the Samsung one. Yes, a bit more expensive, but you've got that versatility that you can turn it around different directions, like we see with that. Yeah, this one is literally just, you can't put it on there like that. It's yeah, it's just a one-way round wonder, and that's it. So what we'll do now is pop my phone in the case and see what it looks like. Right, so we've got a Galaxy S10 Plus here in the Aura Glow, and doesn't it look absolutely stunning? Look at that. I know it's nothing to do with the case, and the case does hide this, which is a shame. But I've got this case mainly as sort of my daily driver, if you want to look at it like that. And for when I sort of, you know, we go for days out to like theme parks and things like that, something a bit more, you know, a bit more rugged for in the pocket. And I've got the other one that I showed a minute ago, which is clear for you know, when we go out on an evening or something like that, so a bit more flashy. So anyway, let's try this case on air. So as it said in the instructions, we put on the top end first, like so, and then just click in the bottom. Oh, and that's a nice reassuring fit, that is. So here we go, that's what it looks like on there. And it feels really, really nice in the hand. And I've got to say it, now I had the Note 9 before with the same case, or very similar cases, last year's version of it, obviously for the Note 9, that, like I said, only had the one kickstand on it. It feels a bit thinner, which I suppose, you know, could be a positive, could be a negative. It still feels rugged, but not as bulky as last year's one. I think this one actually does feel better, and I like the way that you can see, if you get the light on it there, you've still got that bit of bling coming through there. So as much as it covers the back, you know, you still, yeah, you've got that when it catches the light, it still looks nice. And yeah, I think that's a very nice case and highly recommend it. So again, I'll just try it out with the various stands there. So you've got one like that, the big one, that angle, and then like that. And then of course again, your little one, and like that. Oh, no, tell a lie, put it the wrong way around. Like that if you so wish. So yeah, got a few different ways of orientating the phone. And yeah, one thing I didn't actually mention, which is pretty important, UK price on this is £30. Not the cheapest of cases going, but you know, decent quality, well built, and in all fairness, if it's anything like my other one, long lasting, didn't have any issues with it. And again, you know, highly recommend my previous one. So hopefully this one will wear just as well, and yeah, worth the money. So there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, maybe think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.